In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Smartsheet data using its built-in backup tool. Keeping backups of your digital files is crucial for maintaining access to your important information in the event of accidental deletion or data corruption. Smartsheet provides a straightforward method to ensure your data is securely backed up and easily retrievable. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First, open Smartsheet in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Upon logging in, you'll notice the familiar layout with your panels and sheets available on the left-hand side. It's from this panel that we're going to initiate our backup process. To begin, locate the specific sheet, folder, or workspace that you want to back up in the left pane. This could be critical project data, ongoing workflow details, or just files you need to secure for safekeeping. Simply move your cursor over the desired item and right-click to open a contextual menu. This menu gives you various options for managing your data, but today we're focusing on backing it up. Within this menu, look for and select the option labeled Request Backup. This selection will prompt Smartsheet to start the backup process for your chosen data. Once you make this request, the system will work in the background to compile your information into a backup file. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size and complexity of the data you are backing up, so be patient as Smartsheet does its work. After the backup has been successfully created, you'll want to access it to make sure it's available for your future needs. Instead of searching through documents or emails, Smartsheet makes it easy to view and download your recent backups within the platform itself. Navigate to the relevant section by simply selecting View Recent Backups from your menu options. Once you're in the Recent Backups section, you'll see your newly created backup listed. This gives you the opportunity to download it directly to your local device. Go ahead and select Download Backup next to the file you've just created. This action will initiate the download process, saving the backup file to your computer or preferred storage location. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a one-time backup of your Smartsheet data, ensuring that your critical information is safe and can be retrieved whenever necessary. Whether you're preparing for routine maintenance, have concerns about digital safety, or simply believe in being prepared, backing up your data is a smart habit to develop. Keep in mind that regular backups can prevent data loss disasters from becoming major issues, so consider scheduling regular backups as part of your workflow. Thank you for following along, and happy file saving.